Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another scrap project, easy project to share with you all, and that is to make these little mini banners or flags or pennants or whatever you want to call them. And I'm just using scraps, literally, from my 12 by 12s or whatever, right? So you take them, make them into strips, and then I'm using my mini stapler from Michaels. It's this little kit. I gave one away for my giveaway last year. So I'm using these mini ones, and I just pick whatever strips I want to put together. Some of them I put just 2, and some I put like 3. Like these are 3. There's 3 flags on these, the ones I just made. I made a whole bunch that just had 2, so I'm gonna make these. And it doesn't matter what length or whatever, it's up to you what you want, how long you want them. Here's some Maggie Holmes. I'm gonna use some of this and make this one a little bit long. I think I want these 2. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of pink. Doesn't matter which way. But there's the perforation on this one, so I'm gonna cut that off. Okay. So what did I have? I had this one, and I had the pink. So I'm gonna put these 3 together. And I'm going to staple in like that, and because it doesn't catch all of them at once, I'm just going to staple one more time, and then now it stays still. Okay, and then the next thing you do is just make your little dovetails. You can do these ahead before you staple them, or you can just do them like I'm doing after, and then you have the little flags. Isn't that cute? Some ladies that I was doing this on live yesterday, some of them were asking, what do you do with it after you make it? Well, you just take your little rosettes, and they don't even have to match, you know. You just, these are rosettes I made with literally this strip, real cut off from the edge of the papers. So there you go. You can put it hanging down like that, or you can put it sideways on your project like that, or you could put a word bead on top of that. Use one of your stickers with the words on them. You could put that, or you can even I like this one. It says OMG. I got these beads from a D-Stash, so those I think are cute. You could have dream or kiss. Isn't it cute? I even used an example yesterday. You could put a butterfly on there, make it dimensional. I have a few cutouts here that I could put together and make it dimensional. Also, while right now this is just the assembly, so parts and pieces that I can pull from, so that I can put projects together quicker. But when I do get to those certain projects, I would probably put some stickles on it, give it a little bit of shine, sparkle. Or I also have some glitters. So these are from Michaels Recollections. I probably, you know, there's the stars. I probably put 1 or 2. There's some blue stars right here, and some hollow hearts. And there's more hearts, and there's a green star and a fuchsia heart. So these are great in the shakers, which I was using for around Christmas and Valentine's. But you can also use them as glitter, because that's what that is. It's just iridescent glitter shapes is what it's called. And I got that from Michaels like last year. I haven't been to Michaels for a long time, so there might be even new designs. But this is all I'm doing, guys, just beating up my scraps and putting them to use instead of filling up the, you know, the garbage. So I'm just gonna cut that off and put this down here. You can even put them on grommets, which I think I'm just gonna share that one real quick with you. Put this like this. Put it like that. Let me grab my, I have some, what are these called? Yeah. Oh, can't hold it. There we go. Brads. Ugh, couldn't figure it out. There we go. Here we go. I'm just gonna cut these off because this hole is way too big. Okay. And now, there we go. Just get my little hole punch right here. And just punch a hole through them. Take the brad. So many things you could do with it. I'm not even going to spread it out. I'm just going to bend it in one direction. And there you go. So now I can cut my tails. I think I want this one shorter. And then this one here. They don't have to be even and perfect. The more irregular, the more interesting they are. And see? Isn't that cute? I mean, if I had even more time, I'd take a little paper flower and put that on top of there, and then put the brad through there. And the good thing about using the brad, you could take it apart and set it up the way you want it, and it will, you know, ready for your disposal, however way you want to use them. All right, so I'm not going to use all of these right now. I do want to get one of those crocodiles, crop-a-diles. Is that what it's called? Is that how you say it? But anyway, that's it, guys. That's all I got to share with you today. Was just my little flags. So go check it out. Pull out your scraps. There's nowhere to go, and nothing better than to dig in those scraps to put them to good use, you know? So I'll see you on the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.